13 tips on how to effectively use positive messages in your daily life. We all face moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty in life's journey. During these times, we need a beacon of hope, a message of encouragement to guide us through them. Use these positive affirmations daily to bolster your optimism. You'll soon begin to believe in yourself again.
Why positive messages matter. Positive messages act as a balm for the soul. They remind us of our inherent worth, potential, and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. When we internalize these affirmations, they become a part of our belief system, influencing our thoughts, actions, and, ultimately, our outcomes. How to use positive affirmations. Affirmations are short, positive messages that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging or negative thoughts. When you repeat them often and genuinely believe in them, you will start to manifest positive changes in your mindset and life. Here are 13 tips on how to effectively use positive messages in your daily life. 1. Identify negative beliefs. Before replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, you must first identify the self-limiting beliefs you often tell yourself. These might be thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I can't achieve my goals." 2. Write your affirmations. Once you've identified negative beliefs, write a positive affirmation to counteract each one. For instance, "I am worthy of love and success," or "Every day, I grow stronger and more confident." Put them on a notepad, journal, or on a sticky note in the bathroom mirror. 3. Keep those positive messages in the present tense. Write positive messages or affirmations in the present tense as if they're already happening. That helps your mind believe and act as if they are true. Instead of, "I will be confident," say, "I am confident." Did you notice that little shift in language? It makes an enormous difference in the outcome of saying these positive messages to yourself. 4. Make it personal. Your affirmations should be about you and your feelings. Use the first-person, I, statements, to make it more effective. 5. Keep your positive messages, positive. Express your affirmations within a positive framework. Instead of saying, "I am not a failure," say, "I am successful in many ways." 6. Be specific. While general affirmations can be effective, being specific can make them even more powerful. For example, instead of saying, "I am good at my job," you might say, "I excel in my role as a project manager because I am organized and communicate well." 7. Repeat the positive messages regularly. For affirmations to truly have an impact, you should repeat them often. Make it a daily habit. The more you say them, the more they'll become ingrained in your thought patterns. 8. Feel the emotion in the positive messages. As you repeat your affirmations, try to feel the emotion they convey. That deepens the impact on your subconscious mind. 9. Visualize a good outcome. When you state your affirmations, visualize the outcome you desire. This combination of positive words and visualization can be compelling. 10. Turn to your positive messages throughout the day. While many people like to use affirmations in the morning to start their day on a happy note, they are helpful whenever you notice negative thoughts creeping in or need a boost of confidence. 11. Combine using affirmations with other techniques. Affirmations blend perfectly with other self-improvement techniques like meditation, journaling, or even physical exercises. 12. Stay persistent when saying positive messages to yourself. Changing deeply ingrained beliefs can take time. Even if you don't see immediate changes in your mindset or your life, continue with your affirmations. Over time, they can make a significant difference. 13. Review and update your positive messages as you grow. As you grow and evolve, your needs and beliefs might change. Review your affirmations to ensure they align with your current goals and aspirations.